This is all-in-one AI video editing tool to boost your content creation efficiency. There are 5 key features which I want to discuss: text to video, text to image, sound effect generator, music generator, and co-editing. First is you are able to edit your video just with your natural language using the power of AI. Next, you are able to create videos, create images, create sound effects, and create music using natural language. The key thing is that all these features is inclusive in this one tool. And there are a ton of more AI features in this tool which you can utilize. First, when you take AI Copilot editing, you are giving a natural language instruction that is help me lighten the video, and based on that, it's able to lighten up the video for you. Next, in natural language, you tell the AI model what you want to generate, and based on that, it's able to create stunning video. Again, tell the tool the mood of the music you want, and based on that, it's going to generate the music for you. You are able to generate sound effects using natural language. I'm going to take you through step by step: text to video, text to image, sound effect generator, music generator, and co-editing. So you can integrate this workflow in your content creation. That's exactly what we're going to see today. Let's get started. Hi everyone, I'm really excited to show you about Filmora, and thanks to Wondershare for sponsoring this video. As a quick overview, there are multiple features in Filmora, such as smart screen cut, smart short clips, AI portrait cutout. I remember cropping an image in Photoshop using the selection tool, and it takes ages. But now, with a click of a button, you are able to crop an image in the video. That is super cool. And there are loads of AI features which you can explore further. Now, step number 1, download the software. Now open the software, and there you should be able to see a window like this. There, when you click the toolbox, you got multiple features which you can try. So first, text to video. So in the toolbox section, there will be AI text to video. So click on that. Now AI text to video pop-up window will appear. So now I can type about the video you want to generate, or I can just click this generate by AI. I can click this, and then this will help us guiding to create the script for the video we want to generate. That is super cool, speeding up my process. So here, what type of text are you going to do? I'm going to say informative, and there are other options as well. Then text topic, I'm going to say cat in Mars, just that, and then click generate text. Now this will automatically generate the script required to create the video. So you can go through this. Cats on Mars is a popular concept in science fiction, but in reality, it's very unlikely. And then it continues further. So I'm just going to keep it as it is, and then click this text to video icon. Now you can see the video is being generated. Now the video generation is complete. It just took under a minute, and our whole video is ready with audio and music. I'm going to play this.
Cats on Mars is a popular concept in science fiction, but in reality, it's very unlikely. Cats are not suited for the harsh, cold, and airless environment of the red planet. Mars has a thin atmosphere that is mostly carbon dioxide with very little oxygen. Cats need oxygen to breathe, and they wouldn't survive for long without it. Additionally, the surface of Mars is covered in red dust that could be harmful to a cat's respiratory system. The extreme temperatures and lack of water would also make it nearly impossible for a cat to survive on Mars.
That is super cool. That is an information video, and you just gave you the prompt, and based on that, it gave me music, it gave me the speech, it gave me videos behind that. So it took just literally 1 minute to create this whole video, as you can see here, totally for a minute. And then fine-tuning this will improve this video as well. If you want to change anything, you are able to change it. For example, if you don't want this image, you can change this. That's when we have text to image generation. So next, AI text to image generation. So at the top, you can see stock media. They already got many videos which you can use, but in our case, I'm going to choose AI image. Click on that. Then you have the description which you can enter here. You can choose the type of image you want: portrait, realistic, and other options. I'm going to choose realistic, then going to type cat in Mars and generate. Now it's processing the request. Everything right in this same tool. Imagine how long will it take to create this one video if it's just few months ago. but now we have automated everything within just 1 minute. Now we got the cat image generated. I can even click that and download it and add that to my video. As simple as that. Next, AI sound effect generator. Imagine you want to add a sound effect in any of these clips. At the top, go to audio, then you got AI sound effect. So there you are able to provide description what type of sound you want. I can just say sound of a water bubble and then click generate. Now it's generating and now it is ready. 3 different versions and it's ready within a minute. I'm going to play that first one, second one, now the third one. Now going to create a sound effect for this waterfall. Just going to say waterfall. Now adding this waterfall here. Now let's try it together.
The extreme temperatures and lack of water would also make it nearly impossible for a cat.
That is super cool. You can even crop till what you want, so it's much more accurate. Next, AI music generator. So at the top menu, under audio, you got AI music. So clicking on that, now we have the settings for creating AI music. So I can just choose the mood, happy, then the theme for travel and genre, let's say acoustic. And based on these information, I'm going to click generate. Now it's generating me the music and now the music is ready. Just going to play it. That's more than a minute long. Then try the next one. Let's try the other one. That is super cool. I can even directly drag this music and replace that with the old one. And finally, AI co-editing, which means the AI is going to support you to edit the video. Let's try that. So when you see an icon here, if you click this, your Filmora Copilot is ready for you. Now we have multiple options such as adding resources like transition, audio adjustment, extract background music, picture adjustment like video speed control, format adjustment, mirror flip, and much more. So in my case, I'm going to try and add a transition at the outro and a smooth transition. I'm just choosing the clip and clicking send. Now it's processing the request and taking the action and the outro is added. So if I go and click here, let's see that in action. So I'm going to play it.
Rather than a possibility in reality.
Just you saw the outro transitioning to doc. So that transition got added here. That is super cool. And you got multiple options which you can try and it can automatically edit the video for you just with natural language. Overall, I'm really impressed with this tool. One thing to note is that these videos are probably taken from stock videos, but the text to speech is impressive. And the ability for the AI model to put all these things together is brilliant. Do let me know in the comments below what you think. And I'm going to create more videos similar to this, so stay tuned. I hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.